Welcome to our school, the Math Mathematics Insta 2 Nasendi. In today's lesson, we want to do a tutorial on quadratics. Digitaris are the process of completing the square. The particular questions we are interested in are those two questions. My questions are to complete the square of the following quadratic polynomials. Let us look at A. A yakanzi x squared plus 4x plus 10. So we want to complete the square of that. Step number 1 paku complete a square, tinotanga ta factor out the coefficient of x squared. Patikatarisa our polynomial kana our quadratic expression, tinoona kuti the coefficient of x squared ndi 1. Saka there is no need ya factor out 1, since ku factor out 1 kunongodzosa x squared plus 4x plus 10. Saka we tinojambira, we omit, we skip the first step kana the coefficient of x squared are 1. From there we go on to the second step. What is the second step? The second step is that we add and immediately subtract half the coefficient of x squared. So this is how we do it. Tinoti x squared anga toti plus 4x toti plus 4 over 2 squared, then immediately subtract 4 over 2 squared plus 10. That is how we do it. Then tada so we can actually simplify iningachi x squared plus 4x, then 2 into 4 into 2, saka it's plus katinyoreta kati 2 squared, it's very necessary. Panatot minus 2 into 4, it's still 2, saka panapa 2 squared toti plus 10. Then tikatarisa the first 3 terms, the way we are going to simplify them, chakadzira bracket toti x plus so make a bracket aka 2 squared, and then apo totishi minus what is 2 squared in the 4 plus 10 kureva kuti our final answer panapa ndi x plus 2 squared, then minus 4 plus 10, that's plus 6. That is going to be our final answer. Saka pati no confuse avani amufanga kudzidzira, we add half of the coefficient of x squared and immediately subtract it. Tikadai so tinengeta pedza. Let us go to the second part, which is B. Saka tikatarisa B yakanzi x squared minus 3x plus 8. Ndo zvakataurwa pana B. So totanga tada ku factor out the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Saka we don't do it, we skip to the next step, which is adding and immediately subtracting half of the coefficient of x squared. Kureva kuti inova iyo x squared minus 3x, we add half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient ya x up and minus 3, so it's minus 3 over 2 squared, immediately subtract minus 3 over 2 squared, then plus 8. Tadai, so the first 3 terms are summarized as x, and then apatrikuti, let us try to simplify this. Okay, so apatrikuti plus what is inside the bracket minus 3 over 2 squared, then up and over minus 3 squared the 9, so it's minus 9 over 2 squared in the 4. Remember the law of indices yataketa kuform for inoti a over b to the power n ingeri equal to a to the power n over b to the power n. Do yata apply apo, then apo tatishi plus 8. Saka further simplification pana patachigona kuti it's equal to we are allowed to do that. Saka this is then equal to x, then plus na minus ukasangana zvoita minus, so it's x minus 3 over 2 squared, then apa we can actually say minus 9 over 4 and then 2 over 30 8 uno tinogona kumuexpressa here aina 4 as the base. Tinoti 4 into chi kuti tiwane 8. What is 8 times 4? 8, 16, 24, 32. Saka panapa 32. Maona here zvandaita apo. Ndatora 8 which is a whole number ndikada kuinyora as a fraction but making sure kuti denominator ndi 4. Saka ndamultiply 8 times 1 ndikaona 32. So kureva kuti 4 into 32 ndiani ndi 8. Saka ndozvataita panapa. So this is actually equal to x minus 3 over 2 squared minus 9 plus 32. Tiri kudaro nekuti we have the same denominator. So this is actually plus, what is this? 9, 18, 27, 36. Okay. So what is 32 minus 9? Ndo mawaniro atinoita answer yedu the 23. So it's plus 23 over 4. This is it. Saka kana tadai so tinenge tatopedza our tutorial. To those who want to join our school, you are free to do so. Firstly by WhatsApping us on that number +2637152133110. In Zimbabwe it's simply 07152133110. Vane mifunzo kana paine pamusana kunzwisisa, use the comments section. Vanoda kufunza more directly, you can ask on that WhatsApp number. Otherwise, thank you. Have the best of days and keep on learning.